Oh my gosh, it is starting to rain. I need rain. Please, please, clouds, please just come through. Yesterday it did this over here and it quickly stopped, about as quickly as it just stopped now. Okay, as you can probably see, it did start to come on down. It's coming down, so I am going to take myself inside and let it do whatever it wants to do. So yeah, I'm gonna go on inside. Let me take my fan. You guys have no idea how happy I am for this. We have not gotten rain in like over a month here. We got a little bit in another area yesterday. I happened to be over about 5 miles from home, and so we got rain over there. But now we are actually getting rain at home. I'm so happy. That is so beautiful to see. So beautiful to see. Oh, I think it's gonna blow my tent away. This is what happens in Florida. All of a sudden, it just starts to do this, but I don't care. Blow the tent over and I'll pick it back up and set it back up wherever. I am so happy for this rain. I am super happy, and I promise you my garden is like, thank the universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. They said they was tired of drinking all that nasty water from the water hose anyway.